Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Business and Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 23, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 9. 7th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Eighth grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row and column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, 9th row, 5th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 6. Column C and column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Three will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column D, we have 3. 9th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row and third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column C also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Third grade also we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Column D also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row and column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 8. 10th row, we have 4 and 8. 4 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 8, 9. Column C, we have 5 and 9. 5 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 8, 6. Second row, we have 4, 6 and 8. 3 numbers it can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4, 8, 6 we will confirm later. In 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have 3. Column F also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and 7th row we have 9. Column I also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column H also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. Fifth row we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third grade we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row and 7th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row we have 5. Column E also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row and 7th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Column I we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column I we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fifth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row, only one numbers are remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column F, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Eighth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 8, 7, 1. Column E and column F, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, and 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Third row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Third row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column H, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 4. Column I, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.